Google's shipping and customer service. So let's double check everything, shall we? So there's the serial number on the card reader, which is empty. That's good. Look at the phone. Ooh, it's untouched. Well, it's touched, but it's like new because I used a screen protector in a case. Look. Perfect. Perfect. No issues, no nothing. Everything is fine and dandy. So this goes into there. Also, there's the back. Ooh. Shiny, fresh, new, completely intact, no issues whatsoever with any part of the phone other than the motherboard. So, come on, Google. So look, I got the original case. I know it fits. I got a little bit of padding. I got the stupid tray. I cut it so the tray inlets like halfway. The phone gingerly gets placed into the tray. Okay, and then I will be putting this on top of there, and then I'll be wrapping in bubble wrap and just sending it out like a psychopath, because why not? So,